Hello, guys, and welcome to the Nature for Beginners. And today, under our topic, the discussion goes based on the birds. So, when you speak about the birds, there are around 8,600 kinds of birds, varying in size, in color, and in living in different places. They eat different kinds of food and make different noises. But despite all this, there are a group of animals that have certain characteristic features. So those are a little inspirational stuff based on birds. The birds are warm-blooded and have forelimbs modified as wings, hind limbs for walking, and jaws elongated into toothless beak. They lay eggs, usually in nests, incubate the eggs and take care of their young. As a group, they feed on seeds, nectar, fruits, and hunt prey, ranging from insects to small mammals. Sight is the dominant sense, smell the poorest. Size ranges from the 6.4 centimeters bee hummingbird to the wandering albatross, whose wing spread reaches 3.5 meters. The ostrich is the largest of the living birds. A bird's body is adapted primarily for flight, with all its parts modified accordingly. There are several groups of large flightless land birds, including the ostrich, rhea, emu, cassowary, kiwi, and the penguin. When you speak about the feathers, a bird's wing is very similar to a human arm. The bones in a bird's wing is very similar to the bones in a human arm. A bird's bone is hollow, whereas a human bone is not. The hollow bones of the bird make it very light. So here is a graphical representation of a bird's wing and also the human arm. So it's likely and seems to be has the same similarities. So that's it about the feathers. Actually, a bird's body is covered with several kinds of feathers. Unlike a bird's skin, its feathers isn't a live part. Some help the bird to fly, others help to give it shape. Others, called down feathers, help to keep the bird warm. Head of the shaft are flat parts called veins. These veins are made up of thousands of separate pieces called the barbs. The lower part of the shaft has no barbs and is often called the quill. Years ago, this was the part that was sharpened and dipped in ink so that it could be used as a pen. Feathers are very important to birds and they take good care of them. Birds often splash themselves with water and clean their feathers and comb them back into place with their beaks. This process is called the preening. They also make their feathers waterproof by taking some oil from a gland near their tail and spreading it with their beak. Male birds tend to be more brightly colored than the females. Their feathers are generally more decorative. They may try to attract a mate by spreading their wings and tail or ruffling their head, neck, or body feathers. So that's all about feathers. And when you speak in detail, the feathers with certain patterns and also protect a bird by making it blend with its surrounding.